So just as we jumpstart job creation, we must also ensure that markets are stable, credit is flowing, and families can stay in their homes. For our plan to succeed, we must stabilize, repair, and reform our banking system and get credit flowing again to families. It will require stabilizing and repairing our banking system and getting credit flowing again to families and businesses. We'll do together. It marks the beginning. My administration has outlined plans to stabilize, repair, and reform our banking system, to get credit flowing to families and businesses, to stem the spread of foreclosures and keep families in their homes. We need a new equilibrium where credit is flowing, where lenders can succeed, where consumers don't find themselves in a bad situation that they didn't anticipate. At the same time, we took needed steps to keep the banking system from collapsing, to get credit flowing again, and to help responsible homeowners hurt by falling home prices to stay in their homes. Markets had fallen sharply. Credit was not flowing. There's still too many entrepreneurs who can't get the loans. So we acted to get lending flowing again. So companies like yours could get loans to buy equipment and restock, keep your doors open, make payroll. Our first and most immediate task is to complete the economic recovery by taking additional steps to bolster demand and keep credit flowing. It has not been flowing for a month. Credit started flowing to small businesses, and we recognize that we have a responsibility to reduce demand for drugs, that we have a responsibility to make sure that not only guns but also bulk cash isn't flowing into Mexico. The top 1% of people in this country has climbed to levels last seen in the 1920s. Those same folks are paying taxes at one of the lowest rates in 50 years. At a time when the share of national income flowing to the top 1% of people in this country has climbed to levels we haven't seen since the 1920s. These same folks are paying taxes at one of the lowest rates in 50 years. The banks, one of them said, and I'm going to quote here because he took bold action that was needed to avert another depression, helping us stop the free fall, stabilize financial markets, shore up our banks, get credit flowing again.